Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the link to submit another response in Google Forms. This is particularly useful when you want to prevent users from submitting multiple responses to your form, ensuring you collect only one entry per person. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the form you want to modify. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent forms displayed. Navigate to the Recent Forms section and locate the specific form where you want to remove the Submit Another Response link. Click on that form to open it in the editor view. Now look at the top toolbar of your form editor. You'll see several options available, but we're interested in the Settings button. Go ahead and click on Settings to access the configuration options for your form. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice different categories. Navigate to the section labeled Presentation and click the arrow beside it to expand this section. This is where you control how your form appears to respondents and what options they see after submitting. Once you've expanded the presentation settings, look for an option that says Show Link to Submit Another Response. This toggle controls whether respondents see a link allowing them to fill out your form again after they've already submitted it. Toggle this option off to disable the feature. After making this change, you'll want to save your settings. Navigate to the upper right corner and click the Publish button, then click Save to ensure your changes are applied to the live version of your form. Now let's test whether this setting actually works. Navigate again to the upper right toolbar and click Copy Responder Link, then click Copy. This gives you the exact URL that your respondents will use to access your form. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the link you just copied into the address bar. Fill out your form with some test answers to simulate what a real respondent would experience, then click Submit. Here's where you'll notice the difference. After submitting, you'll see that there's no longer a link offering the option to submit another response. This confirms that your setting has been successfully applied and your form will only allow a single submission per session, and that's it. You've successfully removed the Submit Another Response link from your Google form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.